I'm Carlos Bo, and I'm group leader at the Institute of Chemical Research of Catalonia. Basically, our research lies in the intersection of chemistry, physics, maths, and computer science. In other words, we apply the laws of physics expressed as mathematical formulas to chemistry, and we do that by developing and using methods implemented as computer codes. We create mathematical models of matter, and then, like in a computer game, we let the computer to explore how those models evolve with time. For instance, and make movies of chemical processes. Then we can compute the properties and compare them with the values obtained in the laboratories with real samples, or even advance properties of compounds not yet synthesized. Moving to a second research line, our group is focused on polyoxymethylates, and this is a huge and important family of molecular metal oxide compounds. Our group has recently developed unique methods to study the chemistry of these polyoxymethylates in solution, their speciation and formation mechanisms. This research has the potential to discover the experimental conditions needed to make new compounds. Polyoxymethylates has important applications in catalysis, energy storage, biology, and medicine, for instance. Another important aspect of our work is developing computer codes, as just mentioned. Our project that we are particularly proud of is ICIQ, which is a software platform that allows to keep our data safe, to share data between our collaborators, and even to publish data openly following the open science principles. This platform is actually used by hundreds of users worldwide and even by chemical companies. Our success wouldn't be possible without the interdisciplinary team of researchers and collaborators we have. In our case, it's of crucial importance to work closely with experimental chemists who actually carry out the real chemistry. This enhances the synergy between both worlds. We foster a collaborative environment where ideas and expertise are shared, so teamwork is of paramount importance. In conclusion, our research group aims at help solving societal challenges by understanding chemistry at an atomistic level, using quantum mechanics methods and molecular simulations.